it just went away. Huh. It's weird. Does anybody ever get this? Maybe it's just me, but I've noticed for years that for the last few years I've been having it. Is when I sneeze, all of a sudden I start seeing these like floating, like, they're not really orbs, but they're like floating lines, and you see them everywhere. I call it just fireflies from hell. I don't know. They don't really look like fireflies, but you know, it's just like it's like you'll see like 4 or 5 of them, just like whatever, and it's bright lights too. It just flies. I just sneezed, and just had that, but it lasts for like a little bit. I think it lasted maybe 10 seconds, and then it went away. That's crazy. Like, it's gone, but sometimes when I sneeze, I just see like these wavy, they're not really orbs like I said, but they're like wavy lines, and they're just everywhere. They're just like, you know, it's weird. I was just wondering. All right, that's it.